Okay, we will see pull up and pull down resistor. Pull up resistor and pull down the resistor. Okay, so take one case here. You can see we have one microcontroller. One of the port pin I am taking something input via switch. Okay, and by using this here you can say P0.1 and here P0.2 port pin. Take any microcontroller or anything, 805 or PIC, anything different input. By taking input here and contain switch, so by when I press switch it may glow LED or you can say LED here, or connect any motor or any other logic that by using an input microcontroller will process something by that program whatever he has and process some output here. Okay, to process further we have to first see about logic family, how logic are used. So we have logic family here we have 0 volt and here 5 volt. Okay, so from 0 to 1.8 volt if I give this, then this is a logic low, and from 2.6 volt to 5 volt if I get this at pin, so it is logic high, considered as logic high, and in between this it is an undefined value. We don't know that this is logic low or logic high. Okay, so by using this knowledge we can see here when first case that here I put first case 1, when switch is open. Okay, switch is open. Okay, so how much voltage I get at port pin P0.1? I should get a 0 volt here. Okay, because this is not connected to 5 volt. So logically I should get 0 volt here, 0 volt across this pin when switch is open, and when switch is closed I should get 5 volt here. But in real life we will not get this, because this microcontroller is connected on PCB. Okay, and many other devices are also there. They work on different frequency and can generate noise, due to which electromagnetic interference occur. So due to that electromagnetic interference, what we can say EMI. Okay, EMI, due to which I should get 0 volt here, but I am getting here say 0 volt, 2 volt or 2.6 or anything. I don't know whatever voltage I am getting, but ideally it should be 0 volt. I should get 0 volt here. So what this voltage means, what the word that this voltage have, this is nothing but a floating voltage. I am getting at this point floating voltage. So you can see how much risky this can be. So I am getting 0 volt, no problem. Below 1.8 volt it anyhow going to give me low, so it will not have any problem. But in case if that voltage is greater than 2.6 volt or in between 2.6 to 5 volt, so I am getting logic high here. So in program this will get malfunction, because I am programming for getting in 0 volt here, but due to EMI I am getting more than 2.6 volt and triggering the pulse. Our microcontroller is so much fast that it will detect this high and perform any operation. So to solve this problem, we connect one resistor here and connect the resistor to ground. Okay, this resistor is called as pull-down resistor. Okay, so if in case any voltage we get due to EMI here, any voltage, so it will be grounded via this pull down resistor and we get 0 volt, which what we want. So now this will work properly now, because when I switch on the circuit, I am getting 5 volt here, and when I switch off and I make this switch off, I am getting 0 volt here. Consider case 2. Case 2, switch is closed. I am trying another diagram for this. This is a microcontroller. I am trying the switch is closed, connected to one of the pin, due to which it will run output. Okay, this is and the switch other end is connected to ground. So here also we can see we will face the same problem. This is connected to ground, so ideally I should get 0 volt here. Okay, but practically I am not getting 0 volt. Due to an EMI, I am getting any different voltage other than 0. So if that voltage, just now I have said that if it is above 2.6, so I am getting a logic high here. So here how I will solve this problem. I am connecting one resistor here and connecting it to 5 volt supply. So what this will do, when switch is just open, okay, I am getting 5 volt continuously. It means it is always at high condition. It is logic 1. Okay, I am getting logic 1. When I close this circuit, so when I close this circuit, close this switch, I am getting 0 volt. Okay, so name of this resistor, that is pull-up resistor. The value of that resistors are mostly used for 1K to 100K we can use. Most commonly used values are 2K, 10K, 4.7K. These are most commonly used values.